So today for self-care day, I've just noticed the past 2 weeks how when I actually like take the time to take care of myself, even though it's just the physical stuff, it truly has given me like an extra confident boost and just like a sense of ease. And like, you only need to do it every, few days, but it's like just such a good like reset. And so I got my FabFitFun box and you get to customize some of your products. For instance, the robe I'm wearing is actually so soft. I think I might have gotten the best box ever, like created. This is insane. It's a game changer. This is the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. You literally just put it under your eyes, but like your under eyes glow, like noticeably glow. Full size in my FabFitFun box. I also got a full size of my favorite mascara, This is the Ilia mascara. The reason I like this so much is because I feel like you can put just like a little bit on and it perfectly makes your lashes look natural, and it is a natural cosmetics brand. I love them so much just because it's, better for your skin and your health. And this actually works. It's my favorite thing from their product line. You guys know I really like this brand. And then lastly, I got this ginormous Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror. This one actually, you can tilt it and play around with it, and I do my own eyebrows at home now, so I need that. I've been doing more makeup now, so I do that. I swear I don't pick my skin in it. But this is an absolute must-have, and I just like never thought to like go out and order one, and I got a great one in my FabFitFun box. I'm really excited to get my boxes seasonally. You get full-size products. They ship to the United States, Canada, the UK. It's for us working girls, We don't have time to just go out and shop all the time. We need FabFitFun to just send us a box and tell us what to try out, I love it.